Hi guys, so here we are back in Barcelona again, back at the truck. It's like we never left. It's Sunday morning here in very hot Barcelona, 33 degrees. Yeah, it's been an early morning again and just a few days at home. Now I'm going to Sachsenring in Germany. And then, yeah, we do the weekend there, and then after that we have the TT in Assen, my home GP. So I can't wait for that one. But yeah, for now I did a little check around the truck to see if all the tires are still okay and the lights are working and everything. And well, now I'm almost ready to go. And yeah, it's Sunday, so not a lot of traffic on the road for the moment. And let's hope we can make up some good ground today. So here we are in Germany. This was a long trip, 2 nights and almost 1700 kilometers, but we made it. I'm here at a big trucking company near the Sachsenring. They have a truck wash here, and this is pretty much where we always wash the truck. And yeah, I think KTM is in front of me, and then it's my turn. Then yeah, wait a little bit longer until it's 2 o'clock. Then we can park the truck. And then I'm actually the first one this time, so yeah, park the truck. Maybe unload already a little bit, and then yeah, for tomorrow set up the pit box again. Same story, different day, right? So let's wash the truck first. So very good morning. It's Friday today. Yeah, the bikes were pretty much done because we had a crash in Barcelona. So we work already during the testing day on our bike. This gave me a little bit more time to finish some other jobs. I had to put some extra isolation in my rim crate to keep the temperature more stable. With the wind passing and all those things, so you don't want to lose temperature through that. So that's why I put some extra isolation, and then prepare the tires, and I even did a track walk yesterday, and let's see what today brings. It's gonna be a nice sunny day. Also the rest of the weekend it's gonna be dry and hot, so let's see what the weekend brings. So here we are, end of Sunday. Dang, as Sunday has been. Let's not talk about it. It's been a horrible weekend. Now, we're waiting to enter the paddock because we need to hook the trailer back on, because this is the only track we go to where we unhook the trailer and put the puller somewhere else. And so we have to wait a little bit about that. People coming out, some people going in, difficult situation, and after that we continue on the track and move towards the Netherlands, and it's gonna be really nice there. We have a nice surprise there, so stay tuned. So it's Monday morning. Yesterday I decided to stop after like 4 hours drive. It was already 11:15, and then considering my alarm went at 6 in the morning, I decided to call it a day. And I did not really have a good sleep. There was some big thunderstorms coming over during the night, and of course with the rain hitting the cabin, it's like very noisy. So anyway, but today is going to be a really nice day. Like I said, we have something special planned, because it's the first time MotoGP does a truck run, and we're going to Emmen. This is just over the border in the Netherlands, and there we're gonna pick up a lot of sick children, so maybe terminally sick or really bad. So try to give them a nice day, and we drive in convoy towards Assen, and I think we do a lap then as well. And let's make it a really nice day today. So let's go. Okay, so here we are at the Dutch MotoGP truck run. Behind me you can see all the families, all the truck drivers going to their trucks, and now we're gonna drive in convoy towards Assen racetrack, and then from there, hopefully we can see a lot of people next to the road, and it's gonna be a big party. Alright, here we are again back in Assen. Oh man, yesterday was amazing. Seeing all those people next to the road waving us down. I mean, the kids really loved it, and I know all my colleague truck drivers really liked it as well. And yeah, we had an amazing time. But unfortunately, all good things come to an end. So yeah, now it's Tuesday morning, or actually Tuesday afternoon. And yeah, we start parking soon, and then business as usual. Just park, set up the pit box, and do the weekend. So hopefully we have a bit better weekend than Sachsenring, and hopefully the weather will be good as well. Doesn't really look that great for the moment, but yeah, you never know. So, and that's the Friday done. Wasn't a bad day, but yeah, started off very wet, and then for FP2, well, we started wet again, and but the track dried pretty quickly, so we could finish the session with slicks. And yeah, hopefully the rest of the weekend will be dry. Let's see, you never know, it's still the Netherlands, so yeah, let's see. And for now I'm gonna find my car. I have no idea where I parked it, and yeah, go home, and then tomorrow we'll do it all over again. Let's go. Alright, Monday morning, back in Assen. Everything is empty, you see. Pit box completely empty. All my colleagues are back home. I just pick up the truck. It's easier for me like this, and I can leave with the car on Sunday, and then yeah, when it's a little bit quiet on the road, I can pick up the truck and go to the parking. I brought my friend with me, so we're gonna drive together to the parking area near my house. It's a short drive, 30k, and yeah, let's drive there. Alright then, so here we are. The trucks are parked. As you can see, those are mine and Sergi's, and also the 3 hospitality trucks are there. I parked pretty close to my house in Hogeveen, so yeah, that's very convenient for me. And yeah, in 5 weeks time we go to Silverstone. And yeah, for now, summer break. Yeah, go on holiday, and I hope you guys go on holiday as well. Have a great holiday, and I see you all in Silverstone. Bye bye.